What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Quick video. If you have one of these Samsung units and you put it into spin cycle and it starts flying around like it wants to jump off the walls and kick you in the teeth, I'm going to show you what you have to do. All right? They are spring rods inside, 4 corners. We're going to go around back. All right? And you're just going to, all you're going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver. You're going to remove this one here, if you can see. That screw, and then the other one in this corner. Let's get this thing in focus right here. Then you're just going to remove this guy here that holds this plate on. Then we're going to lift the whole front of the unit. When you get those 2 screws off, about 6 inches across the lip here from the corner, there's a little clip you're going to push in with a putty knife or a butter knife, just to loosen them. Then we're going to lift the whole lid up. Before you do that, we're going to put a little piece of tape here on the corner to keep this lid from flapping around and kicking you in the teeth. I just put tape on it like that, and let's go to the back and take those 3 screws off, and we're going to lift this bad boy, and we're going to take a look at the corner springs. Here's a view from the back. You want to take the screw off here. You want to take that other one off in the corner, take this one off in the plate, and then you want to remove this plate. Shimmy it around a little bit and get it out of the way, like this, okay? Now we're going to go to the front and pop those clips like I talked about. Alright, so after you do the bolts and the screws in the back of that plate, grab yourself a little putty knife or a butter knife. About 6 inches in, there's going to be a clip here. Alright, then you're going to follow your way down for the other clip. Come over on this side. Alright, there you go. These are the 2 clips I was talking about. It's a little rough. Usually it's a little bit easier, but you can see this one was all rusted. And you can see a lot of water must have got into here, so we're going to clean that out. Once you pop the clips off, you put it on an angle, or if you have a stick, you can prop it up like a car. But I'm going to move it over to the side. We're going to grab some gloves, and we're going to basically grab this rod here, and we're going to lift up on it, and it comes out of this little channel. And we're going to push down. If you look down there, we're going to push down and out, and it'll come out of that channel. All right, so here's a better look at the bottom there. You can see where, see if we can get it focused, and you can see where the rod goes into that little holder and get it out of the bottom. All right, so what you want to do is get your gloves on, because there's a lot of grease on this guy. And you're going to reach in and grab this rod and kind of lift up on this at the same time. And you see how it comes out. Then you're going to push down. If you look down in the bottom there, you're going to push down and slide it out of that little holder, and boom, that's how you remove the spring. So if you look at this, it's been pre-greased. That's why you want to wear gloves. And for about 40 bucks, $45, you're going to replace all 4. There's one in each corner. So we're going to take them out the same way I took this one out. We're going to clean this mess up a little bit, and we're going to insert the new ones. If you need to know what part this is, I'm going to put a link in the description below. Okay, the only one out of the 4 you have to pay attention to, if you look down, you'll see where that clip is that holds the supply lines and stuff. You want to just pop that clip off the rod. You want to reach down and just pop it off like that. And then we're going to lift this rod out of place just like the others. Reinstall the new one, and then you're going to pop that clip back onto the rod. We got one here finished. If you look down. Okay. All 3 corners are done. We're going to finish off with this one. Then we're going to put the lid back on. You put the lid back on the same way you took it off. Do a test if you could stick around, make sure it works. That's it. That's how you change the tension springs in a Samsung if you get out of control spinning. Check the link below. Thanks for watching. If this helped out, hit the subscribe button, share, like the video so these videos get farther and to help other people. What do we got to do now? Yo, Sonny! He's not in there. Come on. We were working on this bat. I think he might be. You know what? It's somebody's dryer. I'm not opening it up. You know, the whole COVID thing. We'll catch you on the next one.
Yes, sir.